Alright, what's going on, guys? So today we're going to be installing my Megan Racing Race-Spec strut bar for my 335. So before we start the install, let me give you guys a cold start. Okay guys, so here is the Megan Racing Race-Spec strut tower brace. And let's unpackage it with you guys. So what the package comes with is, of course, the strut tower brace, and it also comes with some Megan Racing brochure booklets with a Megan Racing sticker. So the tools you're gonna need for this install is the E14 reverse torque, which is located on the V-brace. And then stop. So the next tool you'll be needing is a 13mm to remove the strut bolts. After you have removed those, you may now put the strut tower brace on, which is here. So we are going to mock up the strut tower brace to the vehicle. So now we have it mocked up. Let me show you how we're gonna install it. So after you have finished installing the strut brace, it's time to tighten back up the nuts. What you need is a torque wrench, and you're gonna put it at 25 pounds. So now we are gonna tighten the V-brace to 30 foot-pounds of torque. So now we have tightened all the bolts except the strut tire brace. Now let us tighten it. The tools you'll be needing is a 15 and a 5/16 hex key. So for the passenger side, we cannot use a ratchet, so we will be using a wrench. So we are going to go from the back, and then we're going to put in the hex key, and then we're going to tighten it. It would be better if I had a ratcheting wrench, but it's okay. So the last step we're gonna do is to take off the plastic film from the strut brace. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I look forward to making more videos and how-tos. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at E90NQuack.